What is oversteer in vehicle dynamics? Imagine you're driving around a sharp corner and suddenly the back of your car starts sliding out more than you expected. That feeling is what we call oversteer. It's a common term in vehicle dynamics and automotive engineering that describes a specific handling behavior. When a car oversteers, the rear tires lose grip before the front tires do, causing the back end to swing outward. This makes the vehicle turn more sharply than the driver intended. In technical terms, oversteer happens when the rear tires operate at a greater slip angle than the front tires. The slip angle is how much the tire is turned relative to the direction the car is moving. When the rear tires slip more, they are working harder and closer to their traction limits. This causes the rear of the vehicle to slide sideways, which can lead to a rotation or spin if not controlled. Think about turning a corner. As you steer, lateral forces push against the tires. If the rear tires lose grip first, the car's tail swings out, making the turn more dramatic. This is different from understeer, where the front tires lose grip first, causing the car to turn less than you want. Oversteer is often linked to rear-wheel drive cars because the rear wheels provide both power and lateral grip. When you accelerate hard or take a turn aggressively, the rear tires can be overwhelmed, leading to oversteer. From a mechanical engineering perspective, oversteer is described by a negative understeer gradient. This means that as the lateral acceleration increases, the steering angle needed actually decreases. It's a sign that the vehicle is tending to rotate more than intended. Factors like weight distribution, suspension setup, tire grip, and drivetrain layout influence how prone a car is to oversteer. For example, rear-wheel drive cars with a rear heavy weight distribution are more likely to oversteer during sharp turns or quick throttle inputs. Controlling oversteer is important for safety and handling. Drivers often counteract it by steering into the slide, a technique called countersteering. Reducing throttle can also help regain traction by decreasing the rotational force on the rear tires. In racing and high-performance vehicles, engineers tune suspension and electronic stability controls to manage oversteer. Some drivers even use controlled oversteer, known as drifting, to navigate tight corners at high speeds. Understanding oversteer helps in designing vehicles that handle well and stay safe. It's a key part of vehicle dynamics that influences how a car responds in different driving situations. Whether you're a casual driver or a professional racer, knowing how oversteer works can make your driving experience safer and more enjoyable.